Welcome to Dorman Products Climate Control Module Configuration video. Before you begin, this installation is considered easy difficulty by our technicians and should take approximately 5 minutes. Begin the configuration by starting the vehicle and keep the engine running throughout this procedure. Next, press and hold the power and front defrost buttons until the LCD screen displays a configuration number. The default configuration number is 4. Use the on-screen table to select your vehicle's application configuration number. In this example, the number is 4. Once the number is located, use the fan up or fan down buttons to select your configuration number. The first digit on the display will change to a 5, indicating the configuration needs to be set. Now that the desired configuration is displayed, press and release the recirculation button. The first digit will change back to a 0, indicating the configuration has been set. Next, press and release the Auto button to confirm this selection. Finally, wait while the system performs a calibration sequence that will be indicated by the recirculation and front defrost button lamps being illuminated. This may take up to a minute to fully calibrate. Once one or both of the lamps turn off, the configuration is complete. If for any reason the wrong configuration number was used, it can be changed again.